I'm going to discuss just some basic text formatting for you. In lesson 7, I had you create the document inside of Google Classroom. For this one, I'm giving you this document and you're going to edit it right inside this window. So first, just a quick review. Font face is the name of the font, what the letters look like. So these are called font face, and that's a term that comes from the old printing industry. So it's been around a long time. These are all font faces. Okay, so that's font face, and then there's size, style, color, and highlight. And you see all these buttons going across here. So font face, and if you click the pull down where it says Arial here, you can go to more fonts and you can see that there are some categories here. There's all scripts. So these are different script fonts. This shows you all the fonts. You can look at only display, handwriting, monospace, serif, and sans serif. So I just want to show you the difference between these two. Serif fonts have the little hats and feet. So you see here, like at the bottom, there's like a little foot and there's little hats at the top. Those extra little finishing pieces on the letters are called serifs. If I look at sans serif, sans is Latin for without. So these fonts have no serifs on them. And just as a general rule, serif fonts are better for print and sans serif fonts are better for when you're looking at something on a screen. It has to do with how your eyes process what it's seeing. Okay, so if we go in here, we do the pull down, you can see the different fonts, okay, and change them. Again, the name of the font in this list here is the font face. Now, font style refers to bold, italic, and underline. And there's also a normal, and the normal just means that there is no bold, italic, or underline. And you can also apply using the shortcuts. So you can use these buttons up here, or you can use Control B, Control I, and Control U to apply the formatting. Alignment is where the text is on the page in relation to the page. So you see here, this is left, this is center align, right align, and justify. So center align would be even on the left, uneven on the right. Centered is uneven on both sides. Right align is even on the right, uneven on the left. And then this one is full justify. And I explain it a little bit more in the notes. So what I want you to do is edit the paragraphs in the box according to the instructions. So this one, it says to left align, add dark blue and a serif font. So I'm going to select the text first by clicking it. Then I'm going to go up and change it from center to left aligned. And then I'm going to add a dark blue. So that's in here in the color. I'm going to look for a dark blue. And then a font that has serifs on it. So any font that has the little hats and feet is a serif font. Okay, so that's the first one. Same thing for the second one. You're going to select the text and then follow the directions. First, it says right align, so I'm going to click right align. I'm going to look for a dark green, and if I don't like anything in here, you can go to custom and then go up to green. Whoops, I got to drag it. Right, there's greens, choose a dark green and click OK. And then it says a serif font. I'm sorry, sans serif. So it's already on Arial, which is a sans serif. Verdana is actually one of my favorite sans serif fonts, so I'm going to put that one on. Okay, see now it says Verdana. Okay, so I think you'll be fine with the rest of this, and I look forward to seeing your work.